സല്ലാപം കവിതയായി അലഞ്ഞുറികളോരോരോ കഥകള.
അവിടെയും people, that's the more critical word that I heard. Right, good. See, ബാലചന്ദ്രൻ ചുള്ളിക്കാട് കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ? മലയാളികളുടെ ഒരു പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട കവിയാണ്.
കവി
റൈറ്റ്. ഒരു ഇന്റർവ്യൂവിൽ പറയുകയുണ്ടായി, സൗഹാർദ്ദമാണ് എല്ലാ നല്ല ബന്ധങ്ങളുടെയും അടിസ്ഥാനം. He was talking about Vijayalakshmi, like Suhurtu. He was referring to Vijayalakshmi as a Suhurtu. Vijayalakshmi is his wife.
Okay.
Right. So, and that is when he said, സൗഹാർദ്ദമാണ് എല്ലാ ബന്ധങ്ങളുടെ അടിസ്ഥാനം. How much does that play in your outlook towards relationships?
Yes, very much. In relationship with regard to Suresh or with everybody?
Anybody.
With Suresh and
everybody.
Yes. To begin with, Jnanam, Sureshum, we have an excellent friendship, and we love spending time with each other because for past 14-15 years he's been working from home. And it's not that they don't have an office here, but he prefers working from home. So I believe that he's enjoying my company, hence he's ready to work from home. So it's vice versa. I also enjoy his company more than anybody. That's why I said my everything I'm dreaming is with him, because we complement each other a lot. So similar way, over the period of years, whatever friends that we have made, they are very close to us, and I value each and every person. छोटा सा बच्चा भी मेरा friend है तो मैं value करती हूँ उस relationship को. Similar way, it's a friendship. I give the freedom for them to express what they are, and I accept them as they are. I don't judge them at all.
സല്ലാപം കവിതയായി അലഞ്ഞുറികളോരോരോ കഥകള.
രണ്ടുപേരുടെ ശബ്ദം കേൾക്കാം. എന്താണ് അവർ സിന്ധുവിന് വേണ്ടി പറയാനുള്ളത്? Let's hear.
Sindhu, what a great personality she is. What a lively lady, always cheerful and always ready to give advice. Although she failed on a key to advise on me, but still, she's been the moderator in the RMS group, and I had a chance meeting of her in Bangalore, and that's when my bonding with her grew bigger. Keep rocking, Sindhu. Be cheerful as always. Have a great time. Cheers.
That was one of them. Yes.
Oh my God, so sweet of Chetan.
Chetan is once he watches, he'll say, he gave me this and then he said, "Idu madiyo Sindhune patti iniyum venengilum njan parayam, venda idu madi kuduthalu."
We just
ഒരാളുടെ കൂടെ കേൾക്കാം, എന്നിട്ട് നോക്കാം.
अनिता चेची, सिंधु चेची के बारे में आप मेरे से पूछे तो हम जितना भी बोलेंगे बहुत ही कम होगा, क्योंकि मेरे को बहुत मोरल सपोर्ट देती है चेची. मेरे को नहीं मालूम, हर चीज़ में मेरे को बहुत सपोर्ट करती है. जैसे एक माँ जैसे एक बेटी को हर बात के लिए पूछती है कहाँ तक हुआ, क्या हुआ, उसी तरह से मेरा बेटी का भी शादी का जो बात चल रहा है, वीकली एक दिन बुला के पूछ ही लेती है. व्हाट्सएप में वॉइस रिकॉर्ड डालती है चेची, और कभी कभी बुलाती भी है, फ़ोन भी बुलाती है, रेखा बोलो क्या हुआ, तैयारियाँ. सच बोलने से चेची जब बुलाती है ना, मेरा आँख भर जाता है, क्योंकि जैसे एक माँ का केयरिंग है, बिल्कुल वैसा ही मेरे को चेची ट्रीट करती है. तो चेची मेरे से पूछती है और हमको भी इतना सौंदर्य आ जाता है कि हाँ चलो कोई है मेरे को पूछने वाला. हम भी चेची को बता के देते हैं, चेची ये सब हुआ है, अब बेटी का गोल्ड लेने का टाइम हुआ, कपड़ा लेने का टाइम हुआ, सब में बुला के मेरे को मतलब बहुत चेची अपना तरफ से बहुत राय भी देती थी कि इस तरह का करना, उस तरह का करना, बेटी का शादी में इस तरह का मतलब ब्राइडल लुक के लिए ऐसा ऐसा करना, और उसको ये सब मेकअप देना, और उसका ज़्यादा बाहर अभी नहीं निकलने बोलना, क्योंकि वो ये केक का सब मामले में बहुत जाती है बाहर, तो अभी थोड़ा दिन के लिए उसको घर में ही रहने देना, और बहुत फेस पैक सब बता के दी, वो सब करके देना, और कलर भी चीची बता के दी कि एक ब्राइडल लुक के लिए ऐसा कलर का कपड़ा लेना। तो सच में बोलने से चेची हमको अभी लगता है मेरा माँ जी नहीं है ना, वो एक तो ആ ഒരു എന്താ പറയുക ഗ്യാപ്പ് സിന്ധു ചേച്ചിയായിട്ട് എൻ്റെ ഫില്ല് ചെയ്ത് തരുന്നുണ്ട് എല്ലാ കാര്യത്തിനും, ഏത് കാര്യത്തിനും വിളിച്ച് ചോദിച്ച് അന്വേഷിച്ച് ചേച്ചി പറ്റുന്ന പോലെ ചേച്ചി എന്നെ മോറൽ സപ്പോർട്ട് നന്നായിട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. അതുകൊണ്ട് സിന്ധു ചേച്ചിയെക്കുറിച്ച് ഞാൻ എത്ര പറഞ്ഞാലും കുറവാണ്.
Oh my God.
इससे बड़ा
Yeah.
क्या मिले, एक माँ की जगह में तुमको देखना.
I told you, yes. I don't know why I love this people. I know. I just made one day. I called her and I said, "Can I get involved in your things?" She said, "Yeah." I said, "I am taking the liberty. I want to do this because I know these things. Lot of things I know because I was a beautician, right? മേക്കപ്പ് करती हूँ तो मुझे I feel like no എന്റെ കൈയൊക്കെ ഇങ്ങനെ വരയ്ക്കാൻ തോന്നി, എനിക്ക് എന്തെങ്കിലും ചെയ്യണം, അവർക്ക് വേണ്ടി എന്തെങ്കിലും ചെയ്യണം. I wish I was there. I would have done the bridal makeup for her, you know. So वो अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलता, तो मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ कि डोंट डू दिस, ये ऐसा कर सकते हैं, वैसा कर सकते हैं. अच्छा लगता है ना, अपने ही घर की बच्ची है.
സല്ലാപം കവിതയായി അലഞ്ഞുറികളോരോരോ കഥകളായി.
तो
She doesn't know this is for it. Okay, I just asked her one day कि what do you think?
oh,
सिंधु क्या बारे जस्ट थोड़ा कुछ क्या कर रही है भी, वो रिटर्न में मेरे को वॉइस मैसेज, she doesn't know.
oh,
Once she watches this, अयो चेची इतने I don't know.
oh my God. Very sweet of her. I talk to her regularly. Yes,
Yeah.
so sweet.
It actually shows how fast.
We also
how
have a
quick-
video of Sunil.
So he
शशेटा,
has.
सुनील भी बोला कि सिंधु बॉल को छिपा कर रख दी थी, फिर दी नहीं. अभी भी
वो अभी भी बोलते रहता है मेरे बारे में. मुझे नहीं मालूम, मुझे याद भी नहीं आ रहा, लेकिन उसे बहुत अच्छी से याद है.
देखते हैं वो उसको निकालते हैं. Let's see.
जिसके ऊपर जुर्म हुआ है
Correct
हमको
है.
याद है.
बहुत कुछ ऐसा कहानी है बचपन का जो कि मस्त मजेदार है. वो मैं ग्रुप में भी शायद एक बार बोला हूँ, हम लोग जब क्रिकेट खेलते थे ना, हमारा बॉल वहाँ चले जाता था उनके बगान में, और बहुत खेती होता था उनके घर पे, और ये सिंधु जी वो बॉल को अंदर लेके जाती थी, एक पनिशमेंट जैसा, वो मिलेगा नहीं, तो हम लोग कुछ देर वेट करते थे, उनका बड़ा भाई पले ला के देता था. लेकिन उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि एक बार ऐसा गया, वो बॉल लेके गई ना, अनिल भाई आया, कोई नहीं, वो बॉल चले गया. हम लोग परेशान हो गए, तो अभी तो वापस नहीं दी है हमको. मैं बीच में अभी भी हिम्मत किया जल्दी देने के लिए, हमारा क्रिकेट वाला पुराना बॉल. और उससे भी मस्त मजाक की बात क्या है कि उनको मैं जब पहले कितने सालों के बाद देखा, तो वो केटो में इतने मस्त थी, और उनका फिगर सब देख के मैंने सोचा चलो मेरा जो पेटू वाला फिगर हटके थोड़ा मैं भी हो जाऊंगा स्लिम फिट. मैंने पूछा केटो वेटो के बारे में, लेकिन जो सुना उसका कहानी, उसका जो प्रोसेस सब, तो चलो सोचा उतना नहीं, कुछ और करते हैं, लेकिन हुआ नहीं. वही केटो मेरे को और पेटू कर गया. वैसे और एक अच्छा इंस्पिरेशन है सिंधु जी, क्या बोले, अब खास करके वो नॉन वेज और डिशेस सबका सेटिंग देख के मैं भी सोचा चलो अब वेज छोड़ के अब नॉन वेज ही हो जाए. इतना मस्त उनका खाने का सेटिंग, और चनाचूर वो मिक्सचर जो कि चूड़ा में बनाती है, वाह, उसको वो रहे तो और कुछ नहीं चाहिए, इतना मस्त है. और बहुत कुछ कहानी सिंधु जी, है ना.
Amazing, यार. क्या Aramas is my big fat family. I truly mean it when I say, I'm not just saying for the sake of saying. I really mean it. I've embraced this as a big fat family.
वो तुमने तुम्हारे एक वीडियो में तुम बोली हो, मैं वो वीडियो रखा हूं, लेकिन मैं उसको प्ले नहीं कर रहा हूँ, जानबूझ के प्ले नहीं कर रहा हूँ. यदि वो प्ले करूं तो मेरा बहुत सारे कुछ पूछना पड़ेगा मुझे, जो तुम बोलोगी नहीं, इसलिए मैं पूछ नहीं रहा हूँ.
Okay.
बोलेगी बोलेगी.
സല്ലാപം കവിതയായി അലഞ്ഞുറികളോരോരോ കഥകളായി.
क्यों क्लाउन बोलते हैं लोग? लोग नहीं,
वेरी
लोग नहीं, लेकिन किसी ने क्लाउन बोला.
किसी
क्यों
ने
बोला,
शेटा?
क्यों बोली, कैसे बोली, ये भी पता करते हैं।
I know some people have called me, but आपके पास में ये कैसे पहुंचा?
मेरे पास कैसे पहुंचा?
हाँ,
हम सब जगह पहुंचते, हम बोला ना, हम पहुंचते हैं सब जगह।
अभी तो आपने
देखते हैं।
प्रूव कर दिया।
goofy वीडियो रखा है सब जगह।
पता चल।
That my mom sometimes acts like a clown, and that's okay because you know sometimes life gets you down and you just need somebody to act the fool and make you smile again. And for me, that's who my mother is. She's just someone who tries her best to make me smile, and that's all you need.
That's why she said, someone who does anything to bring smile on her face.
Oh my God.
Anything,
Nice.
कुछ भी करोगी तुम, लोगों के चेहरे पे मुस्कान लाने के लिए कुछ भी करोगी।
Yes. Yes. I have got this title from Suresh's nieces and nephews. They call me Joker Mommy.
हाँ,
So I thought, but how did you manage?
वहां तक पहुंच नहीं पाए हम लोग, पहुंचेंगे एक दिन।
I know. I never thought कि Naomi भी ये बोलेगी मेरे बारे में. This is very surprising. How did you get Naomi का video यार? Oh my God.
You know,
Where there is a will, there is a way.
You proved it. ശരിക്കും നിങ്ങൾ പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്തു അത്.
and there is also a label called you are a superwoman. Yeah. और ये भी ऐसे नहीं मिला, तुम्हारा हक बनता है वो लेने के लिए, वो टाइटल लेने का।
Sindhu, as we know today, I don't think I can ever relate that with her earlier life. Forget being adventurous और जो भी आजकल करती है, उससे बहुत कोसों दूर थी. Never in her life, I think, same with me also, I never think she went anywhere near stage या फिर public speaking या फिर कुछ भी talent बाहर दिखाना, except for the beauty parlor कुछ नहीं की थी. So it's actually amazing to see suddenly Sindhu becoming a superwoman in her life. You know, I really use the word superwoman for her because उसका husband सुरेश, बच्चे निखिल, नाओमी, मेरी बीवी माया, all the people who know her will aptly say Sindhu is a superwoman. क्यों? Super mom, super cook, super party girl, super adventurous person, super organizer. घर को चकाचक रहती है, नो एक्सटर्नल हेल्प, और उसके बीच में शील फाइंड टाइम फॉर पूजा, टू रिलेट विथ ओल्ड रॉरकला पीपल. बिफोर आरएमएस केम इनटू बीइंग, शी यूज्ड टू कॉल ऑल द अंकल आंटीज, यू नो, नायर अंकल, राजशेखर नायर अंकल थे, एक वीपी पिल्ला, आई थिंक अपना संतोष, बेंगलुरु संतोष का अंकल है, पिल्ला अंकल, उनके घर ढूंढ के जाना, मिलना. सो दिस ऑल amazing quality she had. You know, she's actually superwoman. Nothing much to say.
സല്ലാപം കവിതയായി അലനുറികളോരോരോ കഥകളായി.
एक जगह नंदू कह रहा था कि जो भी हो, वो रात को 12 बजे 2 बजे आके सोई होगी, लेकिन सुबह उसका जो उठ के रेडी होके नहा धो के जो पूजा करती है, वो 1 घंटा, it is like a routine, unblemished, like, you know, not broken.
Yeah.
Are you a spiritual person?
Not too much, but yes, I am. I believe in God. I'm a God-fearing person, so I believe in my action. You know, I whatever I do, I know it reflects me. So I'm a religious person to an extent where every day I chant Lalita Sahasranamam and Vishnu Sahasranamam. That's must for me. I start my day with that. So lighting the lamp, believing in, is
रिलीजियस हैं?
a very important part of my life.
बच्चे कितने रिलीजियस हैं?
Honestly, from the time they were born till very recently, they were with me in this journey. but then अभी उनको हमने ये दिया freedom. They want to discover themselves. Yes, they want to discover कि क्या है, because they have learned what I have given, right? Now they want to explore themselves to believe everything. I said, yes, we are free to do that. So that is the stage they are in. Otherwise, till then, they were very religious. They know every mantras, or almost 25-50 mantras by heart. They can chant and they can say that all the our shlokas and mantras or whatever. They will say nicely with me. But till today, when I'm lighting the lamp, they will come, stand, pray, and go. But how much religious they are, now they will discover and they'll follow it.
Okay.
സല്ലാപം കവിതയായി അലഞ്ഞുറികളോരോരോ കഥകളായി.
And तुमको मैंने यहाँ हमारे RMS ग्रुप में देखा था करवा चौथ वगैरह वगैरह मनाते हुए. तो are you ritualistic?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Because,
You keep the fast.
yes,
And her trip to Bangalore was also for as part of this. It was a spiritual journey to Tirupati.
yes, it was. To Tirupati, yes. I wanted to, it was a Tirupati visit, yes. Yes.
Do you think that this gives you confidence to live, or it's like
Yeah, it give the faith and my trust holds my, whenever there is a thing, I know that my trust and my faith is going to take me long way. The turbulence is a part and parcel of our life, and it is always there. So it is my faith which is sailing through the whole thing. That's my belief, and it is.
സല്ലാപം കവിതയായി അലഞ്ഞുറികളോരോരോ കഥകളായി.
So I have a question around that. Why do you do that? Because you have an answer for everything. I didn't say that. 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 I'll show you who said that.
Okay.
सच कहूँ, सिद्धू चेची मेरी गूगल भी है, मेरी अपनी जीती जागती गूगल. लोग गूगल क्यों करते हैं? अपने सवालों का जवाब ढूंढने के लिए. लेकिन मुझे गूगल करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि मेरे पास तो अपना पर्सनल गूगल है, जिसके पास मेरे हर सवाल का जवाब है.
You are loved by everyone.
Oh, she's my favorite. She's very close to me.
तुमको पहला मेहमान हम लोग बनाए ना, तुम सबकी लाडली हो. How does it look like when you are someone who has an answer for everybody's question?
But there are a lot of questions that I don't get answers, so I believe in God.
I know.
You said it.
I'll come to that separately with you one day. Don't worry. I'll give the answers. So good to have you here. So good to have you. We're like
Yeah.
so.
Jose, you have been so silent.
I was noticing that. Just by.
Yeah, what Jose?
You're on mute, Jose. You're on mute.
No, hearing all this, I am also getting a bit emotional. I know Sindhu as a fashionista, what I've heard, what I have seen, but I am not able to touch that. Also, I wanted to ask something about on that side, but even I am getting quite emotional knowing you. I am able to know you much more. I have only seen your videos or heard your dialogues on our WhatsApp group, nothing more. I think we just called just once, but
Yeah,
this is.
I called you.
Yeah,
I said I
but-
want to talk to you.
Yeah, but this is really knowing you so well. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I endorse what Joe said. As I was preparing doing the background work, and I was going through each and every videos and audios, I was actually discovering the person behind it. Yeah. I had not known you
The
till.
first video,
Pardon me?
Shashika,
Yeah.
the first video that she she released, right? The
I
first
know,
video.
I know.
I mean, that was
I
a
don't want to
base.
touch that
That
at
was
the
a base
moment.
for us to decide.
Yes, yes,
Hmm?
yes,
That was the base for us to decide that she should be our first person
yes.
in Sallam.
You recorded it and sent it, Sindhu.
Yeah,
That was
I
the
know.
first video. I know. I
Yeah,
don't know how many times I have listened to that.
really.
സല്ലാപം കവിതയായി അലഞ്ഞുറികളോരോരോ കഥകളായി
Yeah, I listened to that. Main reason for listening to that from many places was to see what all questions could I ask you,
Okay.
right? But I have not brought that video out at all, because behind that is a person I have been discovering,
Hmm.
right? And then as other videos started coming in, as Anita gathered the videos and started sending me, and Joe's collected the videos and started sending me, and I was going through each one of them, a whole new, not even new, something unique, something distinct started standing out about you. Yeah, behind that looks, behind that smile, there is a human being that I could see, and you were allowing others to see you. That's a unique quality, by the way. That was an expression of a kind of transparency and of openness, and I'm sure
Yes,
that
yes,
that
yes.
has played a major role in your in all having maintaining all those relationships, that when you say it's a big fat family, and I'm
Very
sure
true.
that has been at the backbone of all those relationships.
Yeah.
Yeah.
वेरी ट्रू शशिएटा, वेरी ट्रू. क्योंकि जब वो वीडियो मुझे भेजी थी,
uh,
after seeing the video, I called her back and I said, I don't think I'll put that in the
Anywhere.
media. I'll put it anywhere. I said it's my own. I won't put it anywhere. Now I'm giving you some time to think over and then tell, should I release this? I mean, that is what I told her. And then she
Right.
came back to me and said, डाल दो अनीता, उसमें क्या है, उसमें तो
I know.
reality है.
I know.
And this was the second video that she took. The first video was
Even more
too
emotional.
emotional. Too emotional. She broke down. She broke down. I didn't show that video to anybody because it was personally for me. So for the one that I put in the group was the other video.
Right.
Even that also. Then she said, डाल दो, क्यों है, उसमें तो सच्चाई है, डाल दो करके. That was the way she moved.
Right.
It needs character to come out of that trough of that phase of life when somebody goes through.
Yeah.
That needs character.
Yeah.
Yep.
It does.
സല്ലാപം കവിതയായി അലഞ്ഞുറികളോരോരോ കഥകളായി.
So let's hear the full part of what I just showed, a bit of what Suresh said. Okay.
Okay.
Right. That is the liberty journalists take. That bit that we require. Okay. Now I'll show you the entire part of what Suresh actually said.
Okay.
Yeah, and there's a world in what he said, and I just love him for the way he expressed it. So here we go.
In fact, if you look at it that way, she's the mother, or she's the daughter, or she's the friend that a lot of people reach out to whenever they need some help, whenever they need some advice, whenever they need a friendly shoulder to pour their stories to. That has been the good part of our life. In this journey, we together have experienced, learned, and enjoyed a lot of things, and I've come away from all of these things absorbing and learning from it. That has been the best part of our lives. That you can consider about Sindhu is that she is a person who's very meticulous and very steadfast on building up relationships. And some of these relationships that she has built over the years have been so strong and enduring the time. Another major factor about Sindhu is what she is today. She's the gourmet mom, an acknowledged and appreciated chef who is good at dabbling at all those various things. And mind you, it is not just the pictures. The food that she makes is much more tastier than it looks. It all, I remember it all started 20, 28, 29 years back when she came into our household, and it was lacking heavily. The skills were not there. Basically because of inexperience. But then, and she has made quite a lot of mistakes when she was starting up. Quite a lot of hilarious mistakes. There's been the butt of the jokes from the rest of the people in my family. But then, this has made her determined, and slowly and steadily she has been dishing out dishes which has been appreciated by everybody. In the fact that I would say that today she is a better chef than the celebrated brother in the family. No offense meant to him, but still, in terms of dishing out things and repeatedly doing it, she takes the cake. I like to eat them. Another major thing is that creating a relationship within the family, making sure that the family is held together. I'm talking about the extended family, making sure that the extended family is held together, and becoming or doing various roles, donning various roles to different people, so that everybody is comfortable, everybody is together, things like that. That has been one of her key successes. And she, along with, if you can say, my mother, has been a very, very strong woman.
എന്ത് തോന്നുന്നു?
Oh my God. I would like to hear the entire thing. This is a boost I got.
That was the Suresh actually for you. Yeah.
Amazing.
The other one was for TRP ratings, nothing else.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. God has been kind.
I'll give you some more compliments. And like we are going to the last part of the interview. I know the time is for you it's okay, quite only for us.
Yeah,
but
it's very late for you. I know.
that doesn't matter. But I'll still have some more compliments coming your way.
Now
Okay.
Sindhu is much appreciated.
Possible because of my family, Harishetan, Joyce, and you.
No, you know what? When we met Suresh in Bangalore also, remember
Yeah.
what I asked him?
Yes. I remember that. You've been very sweet, I know.
We just met together for some time, but yeah, we always thought that we should get back to him. Even
Yes.
Ajit and myself.
Yes, we will, inshallah.
What has she got to say? She's got something special for you.
Who's that?
Yeah.
Maya.
सिंधु चेची के बारे में बोलने के लिए इतनी सारी बातें हैं कि समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि इतने थोड़े से वक्त पे मैं कैसे एक्सप्लेन कर पाऊँगी। कोशिश करती हूँ। एक वर्ड में बोलूँगी तो सिंधु चेची मेरी वो सहेली है जिसे मैं कभी भी किसी भी वक्त कॉल कर सकती हूँ, किसी बात के लिए। और हम जब बात करना शुरू करते ना तो एक दो घंटे तो ऐसे निकल जाते, पता ही नहीं लगता कि समय कहाँ गया। हम किसी भी टॉपिक पे बात कर सकते हैं। इनफैक्ट कभी कभी नंदू से झगड़ा होता है तो नंदू की चुगली करने के लिए मैं सिंधु चेची को कॉल करती हूँ। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि चेची मेरी वो सहेली है। बोलते हैं ना कि लाइफ में हर इंसान की लाइफ में एक ऐसा दोस्त होता है जो तुम्हारे ज़िंदगी भर तुम्हारे साथ रहता है, और मुझे पता है कि वो मेरी दोस्त सिंधु चेची है जो आखिर तक ज़िंदगी भर मेरे साथ रहेगी। सिंधु चेची के बारे में बोलने के लिए इतनी सारी बातें हैं कि समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि इनफैक्ट मैं एक छोटे से शहर से हूँ, गोंदिया, नागपुर के पास एक छोटा सा टाउन है, वहाँ पे पली बड़ी हूँ। और किसी भी छोटे शहर से आई लड़की की तरह मैंने भी ज़िंदगी नहीं देखी थी। लाइफ के बारे में मुझे ज़्यादा कुछ पता नहीं था। मैंने जो भी ज़िंदगी देखी है शादी के बाद देखी, और आज मैं जो भी हूँ उसमें बहुत बड़ा हाथ सिंधु चेची का है। सिंधु चेची ने मुझे सिखाया रिश्ते कैसे निभाते हैं, घर कैसे संभालते हैं, खाना कैसे बनाते हैं, और बच्चे कैसे पालते हैं। सबसे मुश्किल काम बच्चे कैसे पालते हैं। इनफैक्ट आज भी संपदा को पालने में जो भी हेल्प मुझे चाहिए, किसी भी सवाल का मुझे जवाब चाहिए, मैं सिंधु चेची को कॉल करती हूँ, और चेची के पास उसका भी जवाब होता है। तो मैं जब सोचती हूँ कि सिंधु चेची नहीं होती, सिंधु चेची की जगह कोई और ननंद मुझे मिली होती, तो मैं क्या ये सब कर पाती? नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। आज मैं जो भी हूँ जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ सिंधु चेची।
I know, I know.
जो लोग सीधा नहीं बोल सके वो लोग हमारे को बोल रहे हैं सिंधु। जो सीधा नहीं बोल सके वो सब they were bitching.
സല്ലാപം കവിതയായി അലഞ്ഞുറികളോരോരോ കഥകളായി.
कभी कभी लगता है सिंधु तुम्हारे से भी बड़ी डिप्लोमेट माया लग रही है.
You are right. पक्का ये भी उसने सीख लिया.
शायद तुम्ही ने सिखाई होगी.
सिखाते सिखाते वो गुण भी मिल गया उसको. बिल्कुल सही.
वो वायरल है.
बिल्कुल. I'm glad she learned it.
Yes. So this is from Nikhil for you.
Oh, I'm just waiting. अगर नौमी आ गई तो मैंने निक्की कुछ नहीं बोला.
निखिल क्यों नहीं आया अभी तक, है ना?
Yes.
निखिल आ गया. चिंता मत.
How to best describe Ammi? If I was a bird, then Ammi would be the tree whose branches I grew up on. She's protected me, provided for me, and I will always call her branches home. She's my pillar, ever kindful and ever beautiful. Sarang Ammi. Oh. And shout out to the first thing Mom said at the top of Mount Jungfraujoch in Switzerland. Yeehaw!
So that was a Sarangayo for you. Sarangayo.
So sweet.
Yes.
Yeah.
We will wind up with the darling.
Yeah, Sindhu.
ये तो पूरा जूनियर सिंधु है.
I don't know one friend of mine that doesn't love Sindhu. Everybody that I've ever known from primary school to college knows her as the gourmet mom. And, you know, I've had white people come up to me and say, like, can I be your mom's honorary daughter? Because everyone knows how amazing Sindhu is, not just for her cooking, but also the fact that she's just such a beautiful soul. I don't know one friend of mine that it's common knowledge that none of us are perfect. But what it comes down to is what you decide to do with that information. You could either, you know, take it as it is and say, yeah, no one's perfect, so I'm going to be the way I am forever. Or you could be like my mom, Sindhu, because she tries her best every day. Not to be the perfect person, but to be what in her mind is a good person. She is there for everyone that is in her life and also not exactly in her life. She just wants to be there for everyone. And she, as a mom, tells us to pursue what we think is a good person. And I think that's the most admirable trait of hers. I think something that I think about a lot about my mom is that when my brother was born, she stopped working to take care of him. And I mean, that kind of devotion that you give towards a child is kind of admirable. The fact that she put her own life on pause just to take care of us. But not once did she ever tell us that we had the same duty. In fact, she has always pushed me to pursue my own talents, my own career. If anything, she's wanted me to have what she couldn't have. And it's really the best way to grow up, just the freedom of choice, the freedom that no matter what you do, your parents will support you. And I really got a lot of that from my mom.
Oh my God.
That was a small group of people to whom you contributed. Small
Yes.
group of people for
This is
whom
my world.
you mattered.
Yes.
Yeah. But I know there are still more people I didn't get for you. They would have. Because like there are people in our RMS, if I just told them that this is a program I'm creating, they would have poured in with their message. I'm sure about that. Yeah. So that we will keep it for the next some episode sometime. Yeah. So that's it. Where I would like to have this session end at this moment. Be the wind under the wings of your children. Be the pillar of strength of everyone at home. Be the calm in the storm for everyone around you. Yeah. So see you again in one of our episodes with more of your experiences.
Thank you. Sure. Thank you. Thank you so much, Shashijita. Anita.
What's your message to RMS? What's your
Who
message?
am I to give message? Kush raho. Stay healthy. Stay safe.
Absolutely.
Enjoy life.
What more can you get from a lively person?
Yeah, happiness.
Stay alive.
Yes, stay alive. Stay alive. Enjoy. Josie.
So nice to have you today.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank
Okay,
you.
chalo, bye-bye. Thank you for
Namaskar.
providing us. Namaste,
Bye.
namaste, namaste, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
സല്ലാപം കവിതയായി അലഞ്ഞുറികളോരോരോ കഥകൾ